Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to put pictures in TikTok comments. It's very easy, so let's get started. Now the first step you have to take guys is to open your TikTok application, and then you're going to look for a video that you want to put pictures in the comments. For example, I'm going to do it with my video so that you can easily understand. So the video, and I want to put pictures in the comment, so I'm going to have to click on the comment icon at the right hand side, and then for example, look at this. I was able to put this picture right there. So let me just drop a comment and show you how you can do it. So for example, this comment, basically what I have to do is to reply to the comment so that I can be able to put the picture. So I'm going to click on reply to the first comment that you're seeing up there, which is hello. So I'm going to click on reply, and then I'm going to get this video icon at the left hand side. I'll click on that, don't worry. We'll get the option to upload pictures, so I'm going to click on this upload at the bottom right corner, and then here I can upload either video or picture. So what I'm just going to do is to pick one of these pictures from my device, and then I can edit then you can add caption or tag people to this photo before clicking on post at the bottom right corner, and then uploading this post. So as you can see, it's uploading the post at the top left corner, and once that is done guys, once it's 100%, I can just go back to my profile, refresh my page, and I'll open the post again, go to the comment section, and then you see that photo right there. So this is it. So this is how you can actually put pictures in TikTok comments. So basically what you have to do is to reply to any comment, and you get the option to put pictures in there. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful, and you now know how to put pictures in TikTok comments. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.